specialty soaps. My name is Katie and this is my mom, the queen.
Hello.
Per your suggestion, we are doing an unboxing and P.O. box haul for my birthday today. Now I will say some of these items came in a little before my birthday, but since they were in the P.O. box, it's birthday.
Thank you for inviting me.
That's right.
Thank you for inviting me.
Yay. So the first ones we're going to open are from companies or suppliers, and then the second half is going to be from individuals that sent stuff to the P.O. box. So the first thing I will mention I cannot unbox, but it's from TKB Trading. TKB sent me a $50 gift card to their website and also gave me complimentary rush shipping for life.
What?
Yes!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Doggone, that's something you can't buy.
I know, you cannot put a price on that. I was so floored. So I just want to thank the whole team at TKB Trading and you guys, the Royal Court, who have been watching me for a really long time. Y'all know I love them. Their true yellow coloring and their Cosmic Carolyn are like my favorite. Yellow and pink. Yes, it's a pink. And
is someone named Carolyn in the company or something?
I don't know. I've always wondered that. They have
TKB,
one called,
tell us.
Yes,
Cosmic Carolyn.
Indeed, they have one called Queen Catherine too, and I've always wondered.
That's so fun.
I'm just saying, I should.
Someone find out.
Yes. But a huge thank you to TKB for that. That means the world to me. So next is Bramble Berry, whose packaging I just, it's so cute. I mean, hello. Can we just look at this?
Great logo.
I accidentally opened it because I thought it was part of my shipment, and
it's
it was
hard to accidentally open a package.
I thought it was part of the stuff I actually ordered because it all came in together.
Okay.
So I was like, oh yeah, my fragrance oils, and I was like, I didn't order any of this. So the first thing they put in here is some pink sea salt.
Ooh, nice. You use that a lot, don't you?
Yes, I do. I like to put this on top of low top soaps. Adds a little texture, adds a little color. It has some beneficial properties, but whenever you're putting it on top of soaps, it's probably not enough to matter because there's like 4 grains on each bar. Next is the blackberry seeds.
Hate them in my teeth. Hate them.
But on soap and in I feel like an exfoliation concoction. Where's that word? I was like contraption?
Which word?
Mousetrap?
Contraception.
Yes. Exfoliation contraception.
All the
That's
words.
so painful. So back to the blackberry seeds. Never actually seen these before.
So you haven't ever used them?
No, never used these before, but they're a really nice size. They're a lot bigger than a poppy seed and a lot bigger than a strawberry seed too. So
really?
Yeah.
So do you think that it would be something you could see if you put it in a soap or just be something to be on top?
I feel like you could do both. Rose hip powder. This is from Chile, so it's been imported from
Chile.
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 I feel like we've just been offended an entire nation of people.
A whole bunch of people from Chile are going to say, you don't say it like that.
That's right. This reminds me, I'm sitting here doing this, of Jeffree Star when he's like, trash. Oh, this whole thing? Okay, now the next thing is really great. We have 2 different sizes of holographic rainbow eco glitter. So we have like a fine silver, yes, and we have sort of a bigger hex size.
It's hard to tell the difference, really.
It is kind of hard to tell, but you guys can definitely see that this one is bigger. It has sort of bigger rainbows, and this one looks a little more silvery. I'm really excited about this.
Let's get even bigger ones.
That's right. You want to do an ASMR video? And then the final thing they have in here is green zeolite clay. I wonder what this is a derivative from because I've never heard of that.
I don't know, but bentonite, you can eat that.
But what I bet is that this would be really good for creating face masks.
I can't smell it. Can you smell it?
Mm-hmm. It smells earthy to me.
It smells like dirt.
But like good dirt. It smells like the spa mud mask people put on you. So thank you, Bramble Berry, for all of these super cool additives and glitter. These are all right up my alley, and you guys will definitely see me crafting things using this in the future. Woohoo! The next box we have here is from Lone Star Candle Supply. These guys are actually local to me. They're only about an hour and a half away. I love their whole team, like the sweetest group of women ever. And then they sent me this box, and hello, it is gravy on a card.
Oh, and look.
Yes,
gravy on a box.
They wrapped it and everything, all the cute little kitties with the oh, it's so cute. Now I've read the card and I do happen to know that fragrance oils are inside of here, so let's rip it.
I don't think that's the kind you can rip.
I can. You doubt my strength?
I always have.
I just finished telling them how strong I am. The biological byproduct of a college cheerleader and a high school baseball player. And I said, and naturally they gave
baseball player.
Yeah, and college, and naturally y'all gave all of those genes to me. I'm literally like their least athletic child.
It's okay. Not everyone can win.
So let's see what's in here. Ooh. Okay, so first, autumn harvest. Let us smell it. And let me tell y'all something else that I really like about Lone Star. Lone Star and Nature's Garden are the only ones that do this from the suppliers that I purchase from. They ship everything in plastic bottles. So much better. You can't have anything break on you. And then Lone Star also seals theirs. So like,
and it's,
no
I'm
leakage.
Sure, cheaper shipping.
Yeah,
right?
no breaking. It's not as heavy, so shipping is cheaper. Like, I can't tell you how much that means to me. And also, their bottles are dark, so like, kind of protected from the sunshine and stuff.
Orangey potpourri.
Yeah.
That's what it smells like to me.
Ooh, yes.
So good. That's a great fragrance.
It really is. And potpourri, I would say, don't think old lady potpourri. This is like high quality, truly fragrance, like cinnamon orange potpourri.
You know what? It smells like the kind of potpourri you put on your stovetop.
Yes, it does.
Cloves and oranges on the stovetop, or when you stick the cloves in the orange and put it in a bowl.
Yes, it's true autumn smell right here. Really love that one.
Okay, this one's called Masquerade.
Ooh!
It smells so good.
Oh my gosh.
You know what I like?
What? It's very mysterious. Very dark, obviously. It's like...
Without being bitter.
Without being bitter. It is.
No unforgiveness here.
I'll tell you who this is at the Masquerade.
Okay.
In the movie Ever After, at the Masquerade, when they all go in.
Yes.
This is the sister.
She's
kind of sweet.
Does she have the horse head on?
Oh my. And she's eating the carrots and she looks across and she sees the other guy.
Really?
And she
this is her?
whinnies at him.
Because it's a little bit sweet.
It's sweet,
but still mysterious.
But it's still kind of mysterious. Yes. She's still got her own thing going on.
Yeah, because it's not rude.
That's right. Not rude.
It's not a liar.
No. Now what you got over here?
Cranberry chutney. Ooh, I like chutney. I mean, I like that name.
What is chutney?
I believe.
You don't know?
Oh, there's an after that last note is very what
sweet.
Is that?
It's like candy. This is my favorite one from them.
You already know. You've had it before.
I've had it before.
Maybe that's why they sent you a big bottle.
They did. They
sent a big bottle because they said you like this.
They knew. They knew. It's the best vanilla I've ever found.
Oh.
Vanilla satin, best one I found thus far. It is a very accurate representation of vanilla. It's not too sweet and it's not too buttery, because I find that a lot of vanillas tend to lean towards butter. And I mean, it's nice to have a buttery vanilla, but if you're wanting kind of like a true vanilla smell, this one right here.
Does this one brown your soap?
Yes, it does. Most vanillas do, but hey, it's worth it. Last item. A silicone mold I see.
Always fun.
Look how cute. They are Christmas lights.
You totally must be inspired for Christmas.
Oh yeah. Oh, this would be perfect for
so cute.
Mini soap samplers. So if you want to do small artisan soaps or small glycerin soaps and give them as a sample set, this would be great for that. And wax melts, I think this would be really nice for. Thank you so very much to the Lone Star team for that box. I loved it. Really Those fragrance oils are great.
That's always fun to open a fragrance oil.
Yes. I do believe we have opened all the ones from the companies now. So we're gonna move on to individuals and handcrafted brands that I like. So the first one I had to show you guys is from Sorcery Soap. I actually have a few more of her stuff in my bathroom. I'm gonna go get them, but you have to see. These are her samples, you guys. Her samples. These are what she gives away for free when you make a purchase. Yeah.
No way. Oh, here's another sample. Sorcery Soap's seal.
These next few little things aren't actually P.O. box things because I bought them because they're literally that cute.
So this is a happy birthday to you.
Look.
Tomato mice.
Yes.
Oh, how did she come up with that?
I don't know.
Idea.
I don't know.
She was sitting in her kitchen one day and she had her tomatoes up on the windowsill and just took a glance and went, a mouse. And then she said, wait a second.
You're adorable.
That would make a great soap. It's so cute.
I know. And then she sent me this, a fairy baby.
Oh my god. Oh my goodness.
I know.
How cute. I love that she just went ahead and named it Fairy Baby.
I know. I love this. It's scented in apple and clover. So I just wanted to say a quick thank you to Bee for those. They're so cute. So yes, and of course I will be leaving links to all of the other artisan crafters down below so that you can go check out their stuff. A couple of them I know still have a few of these things in stock if you would like to pick you up one. This is something else I bought. This is what I bought. Is this not adorable?
Yes.
Boss Me Not.
Boss Me Not.
From Earth's Raw Beauty in Las Vegas, Nevada.
Oh.
So she does tall, skinny soaps.
Oh, wow.
Look at this.
I love
real tall, real skinny.
And I love how brightly colored it is.
But the showstopper is the Mr. Narwhal soap.
Oh my goodness.
And to match, a Mrs. Narwhal soap.
Cute.
They smell really nice too.
Yes.
Like, smell this. Mmm.
That's cinnamony.
Those are great. I know. I like it. I like all of it. But you're gonna flip over the cucumber.
Do you literally use it? Oh, how cute.
Yes.
I keep saying the word cute.
I know
that, but it's just
look at the bottom though.
Adorbs.
Look at the bottom.
That's so people are so clever.
So you guys be sure to check out Earth's Raw Beauty. I will leave all of her stuff below as well, and I will leave links to her Instagram because inspiring. So the next part is a little bit of a Handmade in Florida haul because I bought 3 of her soaps and then she sent me a ton of goodies. I'm only gonna highlight my favorites. I mean, they're all really my favorites, but I'm only gonna highlight a few for the sake of time. But Zahida even sent me like a wax warmer to go with it, and she told me like happy housewarming. She's one of my absolute favorite like soap crafters ever. She's just adorable. So I'm gonna pull out one of my favorites. So this is Seaside, and she wraps all of her soaps in these little gift boxes.
Such great packaging.
Such great packaging.
Oh.
So here is the Seaside bar. It is just, it's beveled to perfection. It's swirly. You can see the horizon line. It's so nice, so aesthetically pleasing.
Yeah, and with each bar different. It's like, you know, a different painting or something.
That's right. Another one of my favorites is Marshmallow Delight. So this is a wax melt. She has it in little Disney Mickey ears. She lives in Florida near Disney World? Land.
In Florida is World.
World, okay, Disney World. Sorry, I always get those mixed up. So yeah, Marshmallow Delight, a fluffy homemade marshmallow treat with hints of lavender, caramel, and vanilla.
Oh boy. Man, if that's a wax melt?
Yes.
Smelling up your house.
I
like
can
a
tell
treat.
you, they
your
really
husband
do.
Going, well, what's for dessert?
And then the last one I have to show you guys because the piping is so pretty on this. So this is the cherry blossom soap, and then the little cherry blossoms on top are just so pretty. So from Simon Suds, it's a little birthday cake on top. It has little sprinkles. She's got a little raspberry. There's a little layered in there. It's so cute. And it's Neldum's birthday cake. So she says, Neldum's Bakery, now closed, was where my parents purchased all of our birthday cakes in the 60s.
Wow.
Yeah, so that's really cool.
That is cool.
It's like a historical soap.
Yes.
Shall we smell it?
Let's do natural.
Yes. And I smell pineapple. I love it. It's so cute, and I love how she took a little fork to it to give it a little bit of texture.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Carol.
Double layered.
The next box that I have from the P.O. Box is from Ophelia's Soapery. I cannot tell you how excited I am about this. I follow this Instagram account, and she has a little thing in here. It says, reach for the moon, even if you miss, you will land among the stars. Isn't that sweet?
So encouraging.
Yes. So they have a little letter in here that I shall read to myself. And then down here is a sticker that says, hi, Katie on it. So cute.
Whatever could be inside.
I don't... Oh,
wow.
my goodness. Put them out. Quick, put them out.
Everyone. Oh my goodness, they're so thick and luscious.
Yes, look at this packaging.
This is beautiful.
And they've all been shrink wrapped, so they're very, very protected. And it just, man, this looks great. She has all of her little information on there. I love it. Which one should we open?
I love honeysuckle.
Okay, well, I'll let you open that, and then I will keep these sacred.
Ooh. Look, so it's a surprise as you pull it out.
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
That is so beautiful. I love heavy pigmentation.
Yes, me too. Wow.
What a fun gift to open.
Yes, thank you, Julie. Also, these bars are 7 ounces, so they are heavy duty. Bang for your buck. Clean. Go get yourself clean. I do have a couple of letters that were sent to the P.O. box, and a few of them contained soap designs, but I'm not going to show you guys those because if I make them, I want them to be a surprise. Krista, we are looking at your design, and I am really, really liking this.
Very impressed.
Yes, and just so you guys know, if I ever get sent a soap design, I keep them in the back of my soap binder, and I file them away. I keep all of them and just keep them there, and then, you know, if I have a few extra bars that I want to make that month, I'll go and flip through and see if there's any that I feel inspired to actually create. So I do keep them and I do use them. So the final box here is from Tiffany. I haven't looked inside it yet. Ooh. So why don't you pull out the first thing? There's lots of pretty tissue paper.
Oh. It's a wallet!
Oh, how cute.
And it's got elephants on it and
yes,
tassel.
So exotic.
Yes.
Ooh, oh my goodness. Popcorn bath bombs. Look, it looks like a popcorn box.
You should open this. This seems personal and very, breakable.
Blessed mama.
Oh,
that is so very cute. Oh, there's something inside it. I was just gonna rave about that, but there's something inside it as well. What is this?
It's a heart.
Strawberry and cream, an old Williamsburg candle.
Oh boy.
Ooh, smell that. Smell that and tell me that doesn't smell like IHOP pancakes with the strawberry syrup on it. It does. I can identify
absolutely. Oh, it's a design.
Oh, it's a soap design. Let's look. Ooh. Oh, yes.
Well, that's a great
Oh, look,
idea.
and then there's one on this side. She's even picked out the fragrance oil.
Oh, wow. Oh, I love these.
You do?
They're pyramids.
What are they?
They're teas.
Yay!
They're teas, everyone. And they come in a little pyramid.
What? Oh, we have to see it now.
How beautiful is that?
Look at this.
So
and you can smell, I can already smell it. That
love it.
Oh gosh. This is pretty enough to display on your counter. Like,
look at that.
Seriously. Ooh, it smells, that smells so
pyramid.
calming. I need this in my life right now. Wow, Tiffany.
This is great.
Wow, I'm blown away. I'm definitely gonna be using these like immediately. Yes. What a birthday to remember. Absolutely. I just want to thank each and every single person for sending me stuff to my P.O. box. That is so generous of you guys.
So thoughtful.
Yes, and everyone who told me happy birthday or sent me a message on Instagram, like all of you guys thinking about me and just, so blessed. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Leave us a comment down below. Don't forget to check out the description box where I will be linking all of the companies and the fellow artists and crafters that sent me stuff and that were featured in today's video. Go check them out. Tell them I sent you over. And until next time, you have an absolutely royal day. Do something for yourself today, like
have a cup of tea.
Or take a bath with all of your fancy soap. You were really quick on that. Now, Caleb actually filmed an intro with me recently, and I was like, and he just went,
sit with your spouse while they gape at you.
Bye.